everybody, and thank you for joining me here at Genesis11. This is a video about crypto trading, and it's part of a series of educational videos that we have here at Genesis11. So today we're going to talk about crypto trading, which is of course the biggest and most attractive market for traders today. If it's Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, let's take a look how it looks like on the Genesis11 platform. We trade crypto all the time, and most of the attractive cryptos in the market you're going to find on the Genesis11 platform. And what I'm going to show you today is exactly how to find them on the platform. So I suggest everybody log into your Genesis11 platform, grab a piece of paper and a pen, and let's take a look how this looks like. So crypto trading. One of the most famous crypto, of course, is Bitcoin. Once you logged in, this is what you're going to see on the screen. And to look for the crypto assets, you can go to the drop down on the left side of the screen. You just click on the arrow here, and you can find under crypto, you can find all the different cryptos that we have. Take a look at the variety of cryptos that we have here on the platform. And each cryptocurrency has its own code. So I suggest you guys also to look at the connection between the name of the digital currency and its code. For example, Bitcoin is BTC. So if you click on the search field, you click BTC, you're going to find BTC versus the dollar, but also BTC versus the euro. And BTC is Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency out there. The second biggest cryptocurrency is Ethereum, and the code for Ethereum is ETH. So I'm going to click here, ETH, and there we go with Ethereum versus the dollar, and also Ethereum versus the euro. I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see where I'm talking about. There we go on a Genesis11 platform. So many different cryptos available. If I just delete the search field here and just show you the amount of cryptos we have, Dash. I'll zoom in here so you guys can see this better. BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin, which is BTC, Dash, EOS, ETH, IoT, LTC, NEO, and many, many more. So we, of course, are the top crypto trading platform today. And all you got to do to trade the crypto market is go to the search field or the drop down and click crypto. For example, if I pick BTC, which is, of course, my favorite, BTC versus the dollar, I can also open a full-term chart because once I click on BTC USD, I go to charts and I click on chart. And now on the right side of the screen, there's gonna open a BTC chart for me. Take a look at this very nice uptrend that we're seeing in Bitcoin prices, and so easy to use. If I want to buy Bitcoin, all I gotta do is click on the buy here, and that it is it. You can actually buy Bitcoin on the Genesis11 platform. So, folks, I hope you enjoy this. I'll be here with more videos in the very near future.